Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our 2021 XT22. This boat, we have the Pro Tour Red, and then we did the Slate Gray accent stripe with the Pro Tour Red trailer to match. Went around here, we got the Slate Gray swim deck with the tan SeaDekking, and then tan SeaDek step and walk through right here. Interior wise, we went with the Cool Feel Beach tan. Just gives it a nice look. Coming in, bring it all together with the tan SeaDekking. This boat is equipped with the Z4 tower, so it has swivel clamping racks, 8-inch Klish tower speakers. Stepping on down into this boat, there's a lot of great things here. We got the 7-inch touchscreen, so you can control the boat, everything on there from your surf and wakeboard, skiing presets, add your own profiles if you like to. It also has the wireless controller, new for 2021. Then over here, so this boat has a lot of great storage. This lifts up, pass-through storage, huge storage under this bench seat. Coming around back here, we got the storage under the cooler here, and then the flip-up seat right there. This also has the rear-facing couch, so you can flip it and watch everything in the back of the boat, or you can give it one more little thick, and now you can lay out, and it has a filler pad cushion that goes in there, so you can have a nice sun pad in the back of the boat. Easy to fold back, as you can see. Moving on through, this boat does have a hidden garbage can, and then it has the air-dam door that swings across with the windshield shut, blocks all the wind and air coming through here, so it makes it nice and warm on those cool days out on the lake. Both seats open up here for storage underneath. Also, anchor locker under there. Klish speaker up front. Charging stations for USB and your phone. Convenient cup holders. And then in the middle here is an anchor locker. You can see how wide the bow of this boat is. It's got the pickle fork, so you can sit 4 people up here very comfortably. Just a huge bow in this 22-foot boat, so tons of room up there. It's really roomy, really great. Got the BTS windshield, and then coming back around, you can see all the nice contour seating. Very comfortable boat. So this is the XT22. This boat is equipped with the 6.0 liter 370 horsepower motor. Great engine, plenty of power. This boat wakeboards, wake surfs, and actually water skis really well. It does come with the removable ski pylon that would go right there. So all around, the XT, great boat, great riding boat, and a great performing boat for all your water sports. So love to get you guys to come out and check this boat out. You can check us out at the website, MarineMaxGreenville.com. You can call us at 864-236-9005, or come on out to the store and take a look at this boat. Thank you guys.